Hello, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. Shout out po sa inyong lahat dito. And pasensya na po sa boses ko na medyo mahina. And kakauwi ko lang po galing Pinas. And of course, nag-enjoy ang kapatid ninyo. And kahit sa konting panahon ay nasulit ko naman ang aking oras together with my family, no? Sa aking pamilya sa Pilipinas. And kamusta kayong lahat? I do hope everybody are doing well. And ang reading natin ngayon is about today. I'm taking this reading during 8/8, August 8. So, there will be an opening door, an opportunity para sa iyo, no? So, we have two piles here, pile 1 and pile 2. Piliin niyo po mga kapatid kung aling pile ang tumatawag pansin sa inyo. Mag-meditate muna kayo and ask which pile ang para sa inyo dito. And then once you open your eyes, first, first pile or tumatawag pansin sa inyo, color pink or this green, then choose that pile. Or if ever na dalawang pile ang tumatawag pansin sa inyo, then choose both piles. It's okay. And malay nyo ay para talaga sa inyo itong reading na ito. Once again, this is collective reading, general reading. Kunin nyo lang mga kapatid kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi naman, wag lang po latin at wag lang po tayo magalit. Love lang po tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. So yeah, I hope nakapili na kayo and I'll see you guys later. So hello, pile number 1. Kamusta kayong lahat? I do hope everybody are doing well. First things first, ay kunin muna natin ang inyong current energy. To make sure na ito ay para sa iyo, no? Pile number 1. If ever na hindi nakuha yung the whole energy para sa iyo, you can continue watching this reading until end of this pile 1. Okay? In case na at the end, may mga realization ka pala na para to sa inyo, no? I do hope na makaresonate kayo dito sa reading na ito. Okay. Hold on. Maraming pupili ng ating pile number 1. Meron itong buntis, meron naman itong kasulukuyang nag-i-enjoy. Siguro dahil, nagbubuntis. Something about nagbubuntis, no? Waiting na manganganak or malapit na yung due date mo. And I can see na during your pregnancy, you are doing well. Yung iba dito, siguro may mga morning sickness, but it's part of a journey during pregnancy. And I can see that the baby is well, strong and healthy. So yeah, continue on taking care of yourself and the baby as well. And good luck sa iyong panganganak soon. At sa iba naman, I'm getting that I think your kids are ready. No? Ready na magkaroon pa ng kapatid or new baby sa pamilya. And kung ikaw itong not sure kung okay na ba sa iyong mga anak na magkaroon ng panibagong member sa pamilya. Yes, your kids are ready to have a new member, no? Brothers, sisters, it doesn't matter. Tatanggapin nila no matter what. Alright? So, yeah. Okay, this is very specific energy na kukuha ko so far. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels. Ano yung current energy ng ating mga collective? Current energy ng ating mga collective. Okay. Meron ditong, nakitaan ko po yung energy na someone here is so busy about being a leadership, taking care of the family, taking care of the business, taking care of the company. Yes, meron kasi ditong busy. It doesn't have to be business, I can see you like, ang dami mong tinuturuang tao. Siguro, projects, a school, you are kind of like a leader type. Like again, guys, kunin nyo lang kung saang energy. Itong nababanggit ko na nag-fit in sa iyong sitwasyon. Yeah, so, that's your current energy right now. Busy ka, marami kang tinutulungan tao, marami kang tinuturuan. I don't know what it is. Ikaw lang nakakaalam. So, this is you. And yeah, we have here 10 of Pentacles. You are doing well with the family and children. Siguro, right now, balanse ang iyong pamilya. And you are living peacefully with your loved ones. Celebration. Yeah. I'm also getting like, someone is congratulating you. May na-achieve ka siguro and you deserve this achievement. A family member siguro nag-gathering. Meron kasi ditong gathering. Yeah, so we have here gathering here. pagsasama, congratulating you, or siguro bago ka lang umuwi, they're all happy to see you. Nagtitipon-tipon sila para i-welcome ka. Meron ditong siguro you are guided with your family members. Like again, if you feel like alone, huwag mong isipin nag-iisa ka. Marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Huwag kang ma-depress. Family members, they're all there. Andyan sila para tulungan ka. And tanggap ka nila. Kahit anong pagkakamali man ang nangyari sa'yo. Or whatever it is, no? Don't feel like being alone. Hindi ka nila mahal. You are wrong. Mahal na mahal ka ng pamilya mo. This is very specific here. Pero naman dito, siguro you are struggling. You might be struggling financially, emotionally, or sa pamilya. At this moment, struggle ka, but you stay strong. Ang pamilya mo ang nagbibigay lakas, ang iyong mga anak. It motivates you. Sila ang nagbibigay ng motivation sa'yo to keep going para lumaban sa buhay. So this is you, mga kapatid. Okay? That's your current energy at this moment. Kahit anong pagsubok na dumarating sa inyong buhay, you stay strong, lumalaban ka, and because marami kang tinutulungan, marami kang sinusuportahan, and sila, ang pamilya mo, ang mga anak mo, ang nagbibigay lakas sa'yo to keep going. So they are your strength. Ano pa? Current energy natin mga collective. One last. Yes, King of Swords. Like again, you guys are smart, knowledge, a teacher, a leader type. You have been so patiently teaching these people, giving them a lesson. Yeah, you are being straightforward, matulungin, being patient. You have so much knowledge. You are very knowledgeable, matalino. Marami kang tinuturo ang tao. Kahit na minsan mga pasaway, may mga nagka-cutting, cutting classes, but you keep going. Kahit na walang nakikinig sa'yo, you keep going. You know what's the truth. You want the truth. You want what's the best for you and for everybody. May pagka-strict ka, but kahit stricta, no? You want stable. Yeah, you just want everybody to be happy. Para ang ginagawa mo ay para naman to sa kanila. Siguro sa pamilya, no? Or as a teacher, a leader. Siguro, like again, straightforward, prangka. Yeah, pinaprangkahan mo sila, and yung mga idea mo, totoo, you don't care if they don't like it. They don't like it or not. For you, you know what's best. You know what's the truth. Ikaw yung taong pinanindigan mo kung ano yung tama at mali. Yes, the High Priestess. Psychically and powerful spiritually. You believe in God. Spiritually, you are knowledgeable, you are healer, you are psychic. Yeah, so some people might be scared of you. Kaya nakuha ko yung nagka-cutting classes or nagka-cut out, I don't know, parang umaalis. Dahil natakot sila. Meron ko nakukuhanan na parang bang warning, no? Nasisense mo yung mga tao na warning sa buhay mo or mga pasaway. Sabihin natin mga pasaway itong tao ito or dislike or you don't like the energy around these people. But these people, natakot sila kasi alam mo na. Nasisense mo. Yung mga liar, mga cheater, mga scammer, natakot sila kaya nagba-back out sila. Yung iba naman dito, pagka nakikita ka, dahan-dahang umaalis. Baka mapapagalitan mo, mapaprangkahan mo sila. Yeah. Because you know the truth, you speak the truth. Alright. So that's you so far, pile number 1. I do hope nakaresonate kayo dito no sa pile number 1. And if this energy na hindi mo resonate, no, baka hindi ito para sa iyo. But you can still continue on watching this reading. Alright. So let's find out anong okay, please bear with me mga kapatid. I'm sorry ha. Medyo nangangapa ako dito. Okay, let's continue. Spirit guide angels, which door is opening at this moment? or soon sa ating mga collective? Which door is opening? Okay, crowning an era. New era is crowning for you. Okay, so we have here weather forecast. Alright, watch out guys. Kailangan aware kayo sa mga panahon ngayon. Okay, weather forecast, warning. This could be a warning for you. Guys, if this is, it's not just an opportunity, no? Huwag tayo mag-focus lang sa opportunity. Of course, new door is opening for you. 8-8, new door. An opportunity, there could be a warning. So, at least alam natin yung mga warning, lesson. There will be a lesson for you. A new door of lesson. Kaya nga mayroon tayo itong King of Swords. May dapat kang malalaman at matutunan dito. Alamin natin mamaya what kind of lesson ang magbubukas sa inyong pinto. Era, crowning. You will be crowning here. Okay. An ending. May mag-e-end sa'yo dito. Kaya may nagka-cut out. It could be an ending of cutting out of people. Mga pasaway sa buhay mo. Or mga baggage, no? Self-recovery. Yes. You are healing. You are recovery or recovering here. New idea. Like again, knowledge. Marami kang matutunan, lesson, an idea. May matatanggap ka or you will be receiving a new idea, crown. May mag-i-evolve sa inyo dito. Isa ito sa mga magbubukas ng pinto sa inyo mga kapatid. Alamin pa natin ito, magbubukas na pinto sa inyo. Weather forecast. What is this about weather forecast? Weather forecast. Okay, Three of Cups. It could be sa rain. Okay, water, overflowing water. So watch out guys sa mga area no na madaling bahain or bahain na area. Guys, please watch out lalong-lalo na kung tag-ulan. Month of August is also a month of tag-ulan rainy season. Para po, lalong-lalo na kung pupunta ka ng mga party-party, mga gatherings, watch out sa mga, iwasan po nating umalis ng bahay na panay ulan. Baka biglang bahain yung area. At lalong-lalo na kung pupunta ka ng mga party-party, and make sure na okay yung weather, kaya pa. Huwag tayong umuwi ng bahay na umuulan o malakas yung bagyo or ulan. This is also a warning for you. Wag nating anong tawag nito? Maliitin si Mother Nature. Okay? Yeah, kasi sabihin natin na hindi yan uulan, hindi yan babaha. Yun pala. Unexpected. Kasi minamaliit mo yung nature. Okay? So, watch out guys. Weather forecast, bago kayo pupunta ng mga party, alamin niyo muna yung weather. Na hindi malakas ang ulan. Pwede naman ninyo mga kapatid, i-google ninyo ilang percent ang uulan mamayang gabi, mamayang hapon, or bukas. Or kailangan updated din kayo sa mga weather forecast sa TV, Yeah. Kahit nasa bahay lang kayo, watch out sa mga bagyo. Kasi malakas dito yung tubig Malakas yung tubig dito. So, baka may bahain or para naman iwas na ma-experience itong baha sa inyo. Alright? Okay. So, ano pa? What about this lesson? What is this all about lesson? Door opening sa ating mga collective. Door opening sa ating mga collective. Lesson. And pahabol guys huwag tayong mag-travel or magpupunta kung saan-saan, lalong-lalo na kung malakas ang ulan. Para iwas disgrasya. Okay. Lesson, Six of Pentacles. It's about like teaching helping the others. So, kayo ito mapagbigay mga kapatid, and dahil mapagbigay ka, you are giving it's like a lesson Kaya nga lesson, di ba? Ano ba yan? You are giving a blessings from the universe in return. Yeah. Dahil mapagbigay ka, and so the universe will be showering you help, money, support, whatever na hinihiling mo. In times of needed, no? Ibibigay to ni universe para sa iyo. Kasi marami kang taong tinutulungan. Matulungin kang tao, lalo-lalo na sa pamilya. Ikaw yung tao na sumusuporta sa pamilya mo. Marami kang sinusuportahan and the universe is there to support you. Unlimited support from the universe. Kaya, moral lesson din ito mga kapatid. Kung ikaw itong meron kang maibigay, kahit konti lang, no? Sobra-sobra naman ang ibibigay ng universe para sa iyo. That's a good lesson for you dito, no? Give and take. Wag lang tayong mag-isip na magbibigay ako ng ganito ganyan kasi mag-i-expect ako kay universe na bibigyan din ako ng universe ng ganito. No. Wag tayong mag-expect ng ganyang bagay, kapatid. Let's help the others from the bottom of our heart. Wag tayong mag-expect ng kung ano-ano pa. Alright? So that's also the lesson for you. You will be receiving unlimited help from the universe here. Kasi matulungin ka, mapagbigay ka. And a lesson here, be more, sorry guys, medyo ano ko dito, balance, ano? Yeah. Huwag tayong mamili kung sino ang tutulungan natin. Especially when it comes to like financially support, no? Like health. Sabihin natin may nagkasakit, tapos kalaban mo itong taong ito. No. Kung kaya mo magbigay ka. Kahit konti lang. Huwag tayong magiging unfair. Alright? Dapat talaga isa puso natin yung mga tulong na ibinibigay natin sa kapwa natin. Kasi yun yung binibigay din ni universe sa atin, yung balik sa atin. Kasi nakikita ni universe kung anong nasa puso mo. Alright? So be more, ang tawag nito, fair. Magiging patas tayo kung sino yung tutulungan natin at pagbibigyan ng tulong. Alright? Ano pa? So that's the opening door for you. A lesson. Okay. Be fair sa tutulungan ninyo and sa weather forecast. Watch out. Ano pa? What about this era? Crowning era, Spirit Angels? Okay, Nine of Swords. Okay, meron kasi dito, kung sasali kasi mga beauty pageant, ano, meron kasi ditong, you don't believe it. Siguro maraming tao dito na hindi makapaniwala na ikaw itong nanalo, or ikaw itong, because you guys are a chosen one, overall. You are a chosen one, na iiba ka, and you deserve this crowning or a new era. Maraming pagsubok ang dumarating sa iyo, maraming mga challenges, maraming mga backstabber, maraming mga toxic people, but you deserve this crowning era. A new era. You are chosen one. You're being protected. You have an angel guide. Kahit anong pagsubok man ang dumarating sa inyo, know that you have a spirit team guiding you. You need to remove this ano ba to? Yung wala kang confidence sa sarili mo. Low esteem. You need to remove that. Be confident because you are beautiful inside out. And that is, ito yung nagbibigay ng iyong pinto. A new door is opening for you. No matter how hard life is, you deserve this. A crown. Because you have been so patient. You have been so a giver, a fighter. Yeah. Kahit mga family members, no? May mga struggle ka sa pamilya mo, they are your strength. And the universe is crowning you. A new knowledge, new idea. Kaya siguro yung iba dito madaling napapagod, hindi makapaniwala, kaliwat ka ng tulong ang ibinibigay ng universe dito. New idea. You'll be receiving a new idea here. Self-recovery. Kasi marami mga tao struggle kang na-experience lately. So, the new door, panibagong pinto ang bumubukas sa inyo dito, a self-recovery. You are healing physically, emotionally, mentally. A new idea here. Malakas dito, new idea. Mas magiging matalas ang iyong pag-iisip. Mas magiging wais ka pa. Mas magiging stronger ka pa. May nag-i-end dito. This could be an ending of your hardship. An ending of your hardship, and soon you'll be helping more people, supporting more people. Celebration. That's a good recovery for you, mga kapatid. Kung noon ay nadapa ka, tutulungan ka ng universe para makatayo muli. No matter how hard it was, but soon, yung iba dito, right now, you are slowly feeling na naka-recover ka na, naka-move on ka na, nagiging malakas ka na, matapang ka na, matalino ka na. Ito yung pinto ang bumubukas sa inyo, becoming more intelligent, family-oriented. Kasi, kaya ito nagbubukas sa iyo because you guys are being so strong, family-oriented. Sila ang nagbibigay lakas sa iyo and you keep going. Hindi ka nawala ng pag-asa. And keep going, kapatid. I am so proud of you dahil ito yung mindset mo. Ipagpatuloy mo lang ito. Because it's true. Na sila talaga ang nagbibigay lakas sa iyo. Kahit na may mga ibang family members nang umaapak sa iyo, sila itong para bang nagbibigay sa iyo ng mga downfall dahil ikaw itong tumutulong. But anyway, kahit may mga struggles sa pamilya, sila pa rin ang punot dulo ng iyong pagiging matatag, malakas, pagtatrabaho, pagdinegosyo, pag-aaral. Mas nagiging matapang at matalino ka dahil sila nagiging strength mo. And keep going. Kaya binubukas ni universe ang pintong ito para sa iyo because you deserve this. An ending, self-recovery, you are healing. You are slowly standing tall. You are becoming more stronger physically here. Kahit marami kang mga struggle, no? Financially, emotionally, physically, you keep going. Hindi ka natakot para lumaban. And I'm so proud of you. That's the main message for you here, pile number 1. The universe is so proud of you. Continue praying. You can do this. And good luck. And let's get this yes or no. I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. And sa pintong nagbubukas sa inyo. Yeah, family stable. Maging stable pang iyong pamilya. You will be more money coming. Help, unlimited help from the universe. Celebration. And watch out sa weather, Make sure nakatutok kayo sa mga weather forecast. Alright, so let's move on and ask any question, yes or no. Post muna ang reading na ito and ask any question and the answer will be yes or no. Okay, you guys ready? Spirit can just yes or no sa ating mga collective. File number 1. Okay, the answer here is yes. An abundance, see? Abundance, blessings. You'll be receiving this soon. Ito yung magbubukas sa inyo, pile number 1. Maraming klaseng abundance, strength, money, family, knowledge, celebration, crowning. See? You have a crown. Maybe your crown chakra is opening. Knowledge. Yes. Crown chakra signifies about knowledge, ideas. So soon, your mind, your something about like your brain is activating. Mas nagiging matalino ka pa. Nakakaroon ka ng biglaang idea. Because your crown chakra is open. So take advantage of this idea, opportunity, mga kapatid. Alright, pile number 1, mature, grounded female, businesswoman, businessman, high social, status, social butterfly, generous, loyal, prosperity, success, financially independent, wealth, and luxury. So ito yung magbubukas sa inyo, pile number 1, and congratulations. Alright? So hanggang dito lang mga kapatid, and I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading nito. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next reading. Bye! Hello, pile number 2. Kamusta kayong lahat dito? I do hope excited kayo sa reading na ito. So, which door is opening for you? Alamin natin, this could be a warning or this could be an opportunity, no? New opportunity, good news. Alamin natin. Again, guys, this is collective reading, general reading. Wag lang po natin lahatin. Ang mga nabanggit ko dito, kung lahat naman ay resonated sa inyo, that's good. Kung merong konti lang, that's good pa rin. Kung wala naman, I'm sorry at wag lang tayong magalit at wag lang tayong magiging bitter. Love, love, love lang po tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Tone Tarot. So, first things first, kunin muna natin ang inyong current energy, pile number 2. Pile number 2, current energy, spirit angels. Whoever watched this reading, kamusta sila? Alright, 8 of Wands, target. This is about like love. Maybe you're expecting about love. Maybe you're hoping to be, I don't know, I'm getting like someone here is like into love or targeting someone new. Maybe may mga, I don't know, like you are aiming someone already. Okay, so may idea ka na, may person ka na, and in love, meron to in love. Or siguro, you might be receiving a good news about this person at na in love ka. Or, I don't know, someone about like a conversation, a message, or a sign. It's something about love. You are feeling love right now. Lakas dito yung love, love, love sa ating pile number 2. Ano pa? Pile number 2. I'm getting like, meron ditong kinikilig. Kung meron namang kinikilig, meron naman itong worried, no? Or loveless or hopeless. 5 of Cups. Okay, I don't know, someone here is like, maybe may magba-birthday dito or nalulungkot dahil magse-celebrate siya ng wala sa pamilya or malayo sa pamilya or malayo sa minamahal sa buhay. Yeah. You might be feeling alone. Pile number 2. Someone here is like feeling like I don't know, like you are stuck, no? Worried. Siguro may magbe-birthday sa Pinas, sabihin natin na sa abroad ka, no? A loved one na nagse-celebrate, kaya lang wala ka at ikaw ay nalulungkot. Or meron siguro itong ginost. I'm getting like siguro ginost ka ng iyong partner. It could be related sa anniversary. Maybe something about like a celebration na naalala mo at nasaktan ka, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. Pile number 2. Yung iba dito, siguro ikaw itong, I don't know, nagiinom, naglalasing dahil nasaktan ka pa rin. Lalong-lalo na kung nalasing ka, no, lumalabas yung pain, yung puot dahil sa ginawa ng taong ito. Siguro binackstab ka, somehow, meron itong dinadaan mo na lang sa inuman. Or pag nalalasing ka, lumalabas yung sakit. Nagtutrowback yung mga backstabber, yung mga cheater, yung ghosting. Okay. Meron naman dito, you are doing well. You might be traveling or financially stable, healthy, go with the flow, active, smart. I don't know, maybe you are kind of person na nilalayo mo sarili mo sa, I don't know, like toxic people. I think you are enjoying yourself being alone. It's okay to be alone. Parang ito yung energy mo na hindi mo sila kailangan, mas okay pa na yung sarili mo na lang ang mahalin mo. Or sarili mo na lang mag-shopping ka magsarili, maglalakbay ka magsarili, mag-travel ka magsarili, kasi parang nakita mo yung peace of mind mo dito. Kahit nagsasarili ka lang. Okay. Meron dito na nahihiya. Nahihiya dahil baka pagtatawanan ka ng mga taong ito, dahil mahirap ka lang, or lalong-lalo na kung naghihirap ka financially, ano, ayaw mo na yung mga tao sa paligid mo na mapagkwentuhan ka, maging siguro mga marites. Ikaw siguro itong tao na you are avoiding this kind of people. Itong mga marites, dahil sabihin natin na noon may pera ka, ngayon nagbago na. Like again, anong tawag nito? Meron sigurong lumagapak, noon siguro may pera ka, and then na-misjudge ka ng mga tao, and ngayon ay hirap na hirap ka. This could be you. This is very specific message here. And ayaw mo itong mga tao na may marinig ka, no, na mga marites related sa iyong buhay, sa finances, sa iyong pananamit. Dahil ayaw mo ma-misjudge ka ng mga tao o papag-usapan ka. Or maybe you are the kind of person na, I'm getting like a Virgo energy, like mahiyain or tend to be alone. Like again, sabi ko kanina, you rather to be alone kasi ayaw mong, maybe you're surrounded with plastic people, no, mga fake, yan. Kaya nilalayuan mo sila. So, pinili mo na lang mag-isa or pamilya mo na lang ang pinofocus mo or sa finances mo, trabaho mo. Iba naman dito, you are avoiding this kind of people na baka ma-misjudge ka o pag-usapan yung pananamit mo, yung looks mo, or yung sa suporta mo, sa pagkain mo, sa finances. Like again guys, samut-saring energy na kukuha ko dito and you are avoiding this kind of people or this situation na mapag-usapan ka. Alright? So far, ito yung current energy ng ating pile number 2, 7 of Pentacles at the end of the bottom of the deck, 7 of Pentacles, you are doing well, financially, like again, karamihan sa inyo dito, I think it's best for you mga kapatid na whatever you do, like business, it's okay for you to do business or run the business alone without any partner. Kasi meron kasi itong very specific, mas magulo yata kung may partner ka sa business, I think it's okay to run your business by yourself or very specific here, maybe you are doing well about your finances, your business. Yeah, siguro this is the month, August, maybe the month of August is your harvesting. This could be also your opening door, a month of harvesting of your wealth, blessing. So, cheer up mga kapatid. And, wag na tayo mag-focus sa mga masakit na bagay, sa mga past. Mag-focus naman tayo dito sa door opening sa inyo, pile number 2. Because the month of August, this is the month for your to harvest these blessings, a door of harvesting. So, good luck for you, pile number 2. And keep going, I can feel the good news sa inyo dito, a month of harvesting. Okay, Spirit Angels, what door is opening for our collective, pile number 2? Ano magbubukas? Let's get more. Okay, awaken. Paggigising. Relationship. Knowledge. Again, knowledge, guys. You will be receiving knowledge. Okay. War. There could be a war. Alamin natin kung anong tungkol war. Para saan itong war na ito. This could be a warning for you, no? So at least aware tayo kung anong klase itong gulo. Home. Again, war, fight. Confirm ito. Pile number 2. Meron itong gulo or something about like hindi pagkakaintindihan. So alamin natin. Love bombing. This could be about relationship, miscommunication, misunderstanding. Weather forecast. Like again guys, meron, kung ikaw tong galing from pile number 1, pile number 2, choose pile number 2 or both piles ang pinili, Okay. If you are drawn to pile number 1, might as well panoorin nyo rin po yung pile number 1. Baka may energy para sa inyo doon. Meeting your soulmate. Yes. Sa dami-dami ng taong makilala mo, finally, you will be aiming si soulmate na makikilala mo, ang makakausap mo. You will be receiving a constant messages, conversation, or meeting your new soulmate. Okay. Or meron siguro dito sa inyo, makakaroon ng hidwaan together with your soulmate. But no matter what happened, guys, kahit anong mga miscommunication, misunderstanding, know that this is part of challenges. Okay? So this could be part of your opening door, a new challenges between you and your soulmate. Miscommunication, pag-aaway, but again, continue praying and pag mahal ka ng tao, lahat ng gulo, away, mawawala iyan. Magkakaroon din ito ng peace. Okay? Or closure. Alright. Or this could be about a war. This could be part of your past. And an opening door na magbubukas sa inyo a closure, a conversation between you and your partner, your soulmate. It could be soulmate friendship or soulmate relationship. Alright, so alamin natin about this person. Okay. Spirit guardians. What is this awaken first? Awaken. Awaken. Opening awaken. Spirit guardians. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, this could be awaken about your finances, ano? So, ito yung magbubukas sa inyong pinto na ma-realize mo na ang dami mo palang sinayang. Sinayang na oras, sinayang na panahon. Kaya may mga realization ka dito. Yeah, yung iba dito nangyari na. Yung iba naman, the nearest future, you have this realization of awaken. Magkakaroon ka ng knowledge, an idea. Para bang sabihin natin na, it's too late na. Dahil ngayon mo palang na-realize ito. See? The High Priestess. Meron itong kaparehas ng pile number 1 energy. Baka siguro from pile number 1 ay pumili din ng pile number 2. So you guys are very knowledgeable, matalino, and psychic. Yes, because you are getting the energy both side, both pile 1 and 2. Confirm you are truly psychic. Okay. So yeah, knowledge and love bombing, realization. So, meron dito ma-realize mo, I don't know, something about like awaken, no? It's too late na dahil nag-away na kayo. But I guess, guys, this is an opening door for you and your person na magkaroon ng, I don't know, like a conversation, ano, closure. Dahil siguro nag-away na kayo. Kasi meron itong past and present energy, eh. Maybe an opening door for you too na magkaroon ng like again, closure. Para matapos na itong hidwaan na ito. Miscommunication, misunderstanding. Yeah. Kasi kung ikaw itong hindi pa nakapag-move on, your person as well. Ikaw din ang iniisip niya. Mula pagkabata, this could be childhood, like again, past and present. Mula noon, hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang iniisip niya. So there will be an opening door for you, a relationship, soulmate, love. This could be related sa war. Nagkaroon ka ng hidwaan. Miscommunication. Yeah, it's time to fix this problem. Oras naman kapatid para maitama itong gulo, away, miscommunication, whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam. So binibigyan ka ni universe ng another second chance or chance para magkaayos kayo ng taong ito. Para magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. Para matapos na ito. Okay? So ano pa? Knowledge. Yeah. Again, about knowledge, you will have this realization of ang dami mong nasayang. Nasayang sa pag-ibig, nasayang sa kakaparty, a realization, whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam. Soon, you will be receiving this, an idea, knowledge, from pile number 2. But again, gusto ng universe na magising ka. Awaken. Paggising. Yeah. Meron itong, like siguro awaken of your psychic power. Dahil meron ka sigurong mga bagay na hindi mo pinapansin, binibigyang pansin. Then, the universe, maybe this month of August is awaken for you. Pile number 2 is to awaken you. Paggising. Realization about relationship, knowledge about your home, about the fight, meeting your soulmate. Siguro hindi mo pinapansin, siya palang soulmate mo. And now, the universe is giving you a chance to have a proper closure. Binibigyan ka ng universe ng another chance para magkausap kayo ng taong ito. Naging matalino ka na. Naging matapang ka na naging magising ka na. Okay? The moon. Sikreto. Sinisikreto mo siguro ito. Well, it's time for you to awaken this or to make an action. 8 of Wands is more an action. Maging matapang ka na lumaban ka. Huwag mong sayangin ito panahon, pera, effort na dumadaan na lang, na hinayaan mo na lang. You are given a chance to stay strong, to be a fighter, na harapin siya or harapin itong whatever you are facing. You can do this alone. You can fight back alone. You are strong. You have whatever it takes. The world. Money, love, success, knowledge, beauty, kaseksihan, kagwapuhan, active, whatever it is, it's in you. I mean, andyan sa iyo, oh. I'm getting like you might be so insecure. Girl, month of August or this door opening, pile number 2, I'm getting like the universe is opening self-boosting, confident for you, to cheer you up. Lumaban ka, pile number 2. Cheer up, gumising ka na. Awaken. Tama na yung patulog-tulog mo. Tama na yung hindi mo sila pinapansin. It's time to fight back. Maging active ka na. Kasi meron dito sa inyo eh. Pile number 2 parang mas mabagal. Low esteem. Nagtatago. Naglilihim. Sinisikreto na lang. It's time to fight back. Awaken yourself. Gumising ka na. Bumangon ka. Kasi marami na sayang. Kung tulog ka ng tulog, nasayang mo yung buong araw nang walang ginagawa. So the universe is giving you this boosting of energy to awaken you. Knowledge about your home. Okay? So, I do hope nakaresonate kayo dito mga kapatid. Pile number 2. Let's move on. Okay, so, yes or no na tayo. I'm sorry, medyo short message lang tayo ha, pile number 2. Okay, so prepare na kayo. Yes or no, ask any question and the answer will be yes or no. I do hope nakaresonate kayo dito sa sinasabi kong pagbubukas pintuan, no? Awaken, relationship, knowledge, home, away. This could be from the past. And even if sa future, no, you need to fight back and receive this closure. Ayusin ito. You can do this alone. Huwag sayangin ito mga opportunity na binibigyan ng universe sa inyo. Because right now, these doors are opening for you. Love bombing. Soulmate. There will be a conversation between you and this person. Siguro nagkaaway kayo, walang pag-uusap. Whatever it is, it's time to open your heart towards to this person para masabi mo yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Stay strong and you can do this. You can face this person, whoever this person is. Alright. Ask any question and the answer will be yes or no. Ready? Okay, Spirit, can you just yes or no sa ating mga collective? Yes or no sa ating mga collective. Alright, we have here no. Curiosity. Kung curious ka, we have here delayed. Delayed news, patient needed. So be more patient mga kapatid. Ideas, inspiration, planning, vigilance. Kailangan maging vigilante kayo. Like again, weather forecast. Watch out sa mga weather, weather or sa ulan, bagyo, mahangin. Huwag tayong magagala or huwag tayong magpupunta-punta kung saan-saan, magta-travel kung saan-saan kung hindi maganda yung weather. So that will be a warning for you mga kapatid. And be vigilant, ano? And guarded, fairness, think before you speak, don't get drawn into arguments. Like again, war. Pag-isipan nyo muna mga kapatid para iwasan itong miscommunication, pag-aaway, gulo. So again, pag-isipan muna mabuti bago kayo magsalita or may sasabihin sa taong ito para iwas itong miscommunication kasi may itong war. Alright? So, kayo dapat mag-adjust and be more patient. Don't get drawn into argument and mental agility. So, wag tayong mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. Hindi pa nga nangyari, nag-isip na kayo ng kung ano-ano, parang advance na kayo mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. That will be avoid. Avoid nyo muna, iwasan yung mga mag-isip ng mga kung ano-ano kasi nagba-block ito sa inyong blessings, itong pinto. Alright? So, iwasan po natin mag-isip ng mga negative thoughts. Always think positive and fight your battles and keep going. It's time to awaken yourself. Gumising ka, tumayo ka, lumaban ka. Alright? So hanggang dito mga kapatid. I do hope nakaresonate kayo at nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. And especially sa pile number 2. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next reading. Bye and thank you.